Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? So, you all fine, right? Okay. So, today we are going to see chapter 10 from civics. Okay, dear children. So, we are going to see chapter 10 from civics. So, that is law and social justice. Law and social justice. Okay. So, as you all know, what you have to do, we have to take a note and pen and start taking notes while you are listening class. Okay. So, first. So, according to a law on minimum wages. So, what is the first law we are going to see? Law on minimum wages. So, according to that law, a worker has not to be paid not less than the minimum wage by the employer. So, there is like a fixed minimum wage. So, below that they should not be paid. So, at least the minimum wages the employer have to give to the worker working in that company. Okay, understood children? So, the minimum wage, that means minimum amount they have to give to the worker working in the company. Okay, next. There are other laws that protect the interest of producers and consumers in the market. So, there are some other laws that protect the interest of producers and consumers. Okay. So, that laws ensure the relations between three parties. How many parties? Three parties, that is like the worker, consumer and producer. Okay. So, the relation between these three parties have to be good and not problematic. Okay. So, who are the three parties? Worker, consumer and producer. So, those are working for in the company, or consumer, those who are getting that product, or those who are producing the product. So, these three parties should have a good relation. Okay. So, the laws protect the interest of producer and consumer. Also, it ensures the relationship between these three parties. Okay. And by making, enforcing and upholding the laws, the government control the activities of individuals or private companies. So, by making new laws and maintaining that laws, the government control the activity of each person and private companies. Okay, dear children. Next, what is a worker's worth? So, what is a worker's worth? Okay, in India, one worker can easily replace another. There is so much unemployment that many workers are willing to work in unsafe conditions in return for a wage. So, in India, what is happening? Many unemployment is there. So, unemployment, many people are not employed. So, they need at least a small job. So, what they are doing? They are working in unsafe conditions. Okay, the place in unhygienic and unsafe condition they are working because they need to work. They don't have proper job. Okay, and even so many years after the Bhopal gas strategy, there are regular reports of accidents in the construction sites, mines or factories due to the careless attitude of the employers. So, Bhopal gas strategy, some of you may know. So, Bhopal gas strategy is like in a place in Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, in that place, in one industry, what happened? Gas leaked, and because of that major destruction happened there. Okay, so many deaths and so many loss. Okay, so after that, what is happening? They are just taking the report of all the accidents happening in the construction sites, mines and factories because of the careless attitude of the employers. Okay? And a worker's worth is the value he or she has in the eyes of an industry he or she is employed in. So, the worker's worth, right? The life, who is responsible for their life? That factory in which they are working, that employer who is employed them have to take care of them, right? Okay, so they have to work in a safe condition, right children? So work in the safe condition. So government have to check about the safety laws. Okay, the government is supposed to ensure that safety laws are implemented. So they are supposed to ensure whether in every industry and every place, even we can take it as a school or industry or any working place or hotels or everywhere, safety laws have to be implemented. They have to follow the safety procedures properly. Yes, government should ensure the right to life, okay, that is guaranteed under article 21 of the constitution, okay, that should not be violated. The right to life, proper safety measures have to be taken, okay. As we see from the Bhopal gas strategy, the negligence of the government is the reason for such a hazardous disaster. So, if we neglect, if we careless and if we don't take problems as serious, what will be happening? It will result in a big problem, okay. So, we have to be careful in each and everything, okay children. You also have to be careful in each and everything you do, okay. Be careful when you are in home also, be careful when you are using electronic things or electrical things or anything. Be careful, okay. Whatever you do, be careful in that work, okay. So because of the careless, what will be, we will face many problems, right? We will face many problems if you are careless, okay. So always be careful in whatever work you do, okay children. Very good. Government officials refused to recognize the plant as hazardous and allowed it to come into a populated locality. So, government officials, they have to recognize the plant. They are going to the plant means like it's a type of company like ice plant, or here you can find many ice plant, right? So, they used to make ice, okay. So, that is used for saving fisheries or some other things, okay. So, whenever they are constructing a plant like that, they have to be very alert whether all the safety measures are followed, and it should not be in the place where in the populated place. It should be like separated. It should not be inside the populated locality. They have to ensure, government have to ensure, and cleaner technology and follow all safer procedure. Then they have to inspect the plant frequently, check all the facilities and safety measures there, and if any problem they have to inform them to change it immediately. So, proper inspection have to be done, okay. So, these are the things government have to do to ensure whether safety measures are followed and whether everything is gone in a good way. New laws to protect the environment. So, new laws, they were formed to protect the environment. So, air and water, they are like very important to us, air and water. So, this air and water have to be kept clean and neat, okay. So, no company or industry should not pollute the air and water, because we need pure air for breathing and good water for drinking, so that we can make our country pollution free water and air, we can enjoy a life, okay. If we have proper good water and good air, means only our life will be healthy, right. So, right to life is a fundamental right under Article 21 of the Constitution. According to which article? Article 21 of the Constitution. It will be ensuring that whether everything is going good, if any company is letting or polluting the air or water, everything will be checked properly. The government is responsible for setting up laws and procedures that check up pollution, clean waters, introduce heavy fines for those who pollute. So, government will be keenly checking those who are polluting. If anyone is polluting, they have to pay heavy fine. So, government will frame up laws to check pollution, clean water and introduce heavy fines for those who pollute. Okay. A major role of the government to control the activities of private companies by making and enforcing and upholding laws so as to prevent unfair practices and ensure social justice. The government will control the activities of private companies by making new laws and maintaining them and prevent any unfair or unsafety measures and ensure all the social justice. Okay. Laws that are weak and poorly enforced can cause serious harm. So, if laws are weak and poorly enforced, then what will happen? It will result in serious harm like Bhopal gas strategy. So, government have to take in charge. That means government's responsibility is to check whether all the safety measures are followed in each and every place. Okay. So, that's all my dear children. What is the lesson today? Laws and social justice. So, under that we have seen about how laws help us to handle social justice. So, every place, whether it is a school, industry or everywhere, all the proper safety measures have to be followed. Who will be inspecting that? Government will be properly inspecting all the safety measures. Okay. And we have to be careful in whatever we do. Okay. Because of careless, there will be a major distraction. Okay, children. So, children, you also be careful in all the work you do. Okay. That will be good habit when you, then will become as a good habit when you grow up. Okay, children. Okay, thank you, children. Have a nice day. See this video once again, and this will help you to understand very clearly and will give good morals to your life. Okay. So, thank you, children.